pretty people, welcome to Planet Mars. I am Mars, and in this channel I do unboxing videos of toys, gadgets, peripherals, but there's one thing in common, and that is the color purple. So if you also like purple, please subscribe and hit the notification button so you've been notified in my videos. Okay, so I was also shocked by this announcement that Jollibee is having a kiddie meal with Sanrio. They're having a collaboration. I tried to search and there are Hello Kitty kiddie meals, but not other Sanrio characters. So I think this is a huge deal because they have a launch day and I was invited. Luckily, I was invited in this event. I would like to give thanks to Fiax Plushies and Jollibee management for inviting me. By the way, if you want budget-friendly Sanrio, original or licensed Sanrio plushies, please go to Fiax Plushies because it's really affordable compared to other resellers here. Hi, Sophia! Thank you so much. Anyway, we are going to have an unboxing. This is a full set of the Sanrio Characters X Jollibee collab kiddie meal or kids meal. I was actually shocked. They're now called kids meal and not kiddie meal. I don't know, when did they start calling it a kids meal? Or is this a Mandela effect? Let me know in the comment section. Let's do the unboxing. Alright, so here is the full set. Well, I'm not sure yet kung full set ba to. Pero, as you can see, 6 na piraso siya and 6 yung designs ng series na to. So, I am hoping na walang duplicates. Dahil kung meron man, if ever na bibili ka ng 6 na kids meal, hindi ka pa rin sure kung makukuha mo silang 6. So, hopefully, kapag bumili ka ng 6 na kiddie meal or kids meal, kompleto na siya, diba? Parang ganun lang yung nangyayari sa mga blind boxes, diba? Ng Pop Mart. If you don't want duplicates, then you have to buy the whole set. So, let's see in this video. I am a little bit sad actually na blind box to. Medyo unfair lang ako ngayon kasi nga, inaccept ako ng Jollibee to participate in their event. So, kung sakali na hindi ko nga to nakuha, itong set na to, ibig sabihin, bibili talaga ako ng kiddie meal. So, I was hoping in this unboxing that the last 2 boxes will be Kuromi and Cinnamoroll because during the event, I was able to get 2 additional boxes and dalawa lang sila, si Kuromi and Cinnamoroll yung pinili ko. So, hopefully, hindi ko ma-open dito yan kasi gusto ko ibigay sa aking mga pamangkin na unopened pa sila. So, that is our goal in this video. Let's open the first one! Dahil wala ka talagang maririnig dito eh. Ang hula ko na lang, this is Hello Kitty. I don't know. Maybe we're lucky. Grabe, ito talaga yung blind box experience kasi may kasamang foil bag na hindi naman usually meron sa mga kids meal. Oh my God! Tama tayo! We got Hello Kitty! Iba yung positioning ng pieces kapag mag-isa lang siya and kapag isasama mo siya as one. So, ito yung itsura niya. Parang tower siya kapag isa lang. Then, mamaya ipakita ko na lang sa inyo to. Oh, di ba? Parang Lego lang. Alagay dito. There you go. We have to combine these. Dalawa siya. This is the next step. Hindi siya all the way. Hanggang dito lang siya. Ayun nga, iba itsura niya kapag naging Wonder Wheel siya. Tatanggalin mo rin itong dalawang to. If you know that, anong gagawin. This is our first figure. We got so lucky with our first guess. So, I really hope that we don't get Cinnamoroll and Kuromi. This is our second box. I'm really hoping that we get My Melody with this one. Oh no! This is so unsatisfying. Ooh. Yes! It's My Melody! Let's go! Ang cute kasi parang may color combo sila. So, since si My Melody ay mostly pink, yung ibang parts niya ay purple, which is yung colors ni Kuromi. Pero si Kuromi naman, mostly purple siya. So, yung ibang pieces ay pink. This is so cute. Heart yung kay My Melody. Sobrang focused eh, no? Yung nagsasalita. Alam mo, isa to sa feeling kong worth na Happy Meal. Ay, Happy Meal. Sorry. Well, hindi naman to paid advertisement. So, okay lang yata na ma-mention ko ang Happy Meal. Diba usually sa mga Happy Meal, parang lagi nilang available yung mga papel-papel na lang. Alam mo yun? Pero ayan, ang ganda. Let's go! Okay naman siya, yung quality. It's plastic, but I don't think na PVC to. Yung as in normal plastic lang talaga ng mga kiddie meal, yung quality niya. Now, since nalaman natin na itong dalawa is yung dalawa dito, I think let's try yung third and fourth dun sa dulo. Let's see. Let's hope this is Pochaco. 3, 2, 1. Oh no! We got the cinnamon roll one. Ang cute nung kay cinnamon roll. Cloud. Ang kapartner niya ay si Pompom. Kasi nga, yellow. Di pala si Pochaco. Ang partner pala ni Pochaco ay si Hello Kitty. This one next. This is cinnamon roll. Wait, masyado maliwanag. Patayin muna natin. This is cinnamon roll. So cute! Ang amazing din is, ito, naiikot siya. Same as this one, nag-rotate din siya. And ito, nag-rotate din. So that's so nice. Ang liit! Di cinnamon roll! Compared mo kay Hello Kitty. Look at the difference. This is our fourth one. Let's hope this is Pochaco. No! We are unlucky. Ayan, this is what I'm talking about. Pink and purple. So, hindi pala siya partners, no? So, ang kulay ni Hello Kitty ay si cinnamon roll, pero ang kulay ni cinnamon roll ay si Pompom. At si Pompom ay kulay ni Pochaco. Yung dalawa lang pala, si Kuromi lang at My Melody, ang pair. I'm so sorry. Yay! This is Kuromi. I'll just make B-rolls later kasi hindi ganun kaganda yung quality, no? Yung camera ko right now. Kasi naka 0.6 ako. 0.6 lang kasi hindi po ako naka-iPhone. Hindi po kami mayaman. Anyway, ayan! This is Kuromi! Ang ganda, di ba? Ang ganda ng colors! Kasi gusto ko rin talaga ang pink other than purple. This is our fifth one. So, apparently, we're going to open all of them kasi nga nakuha na natin yung dalawa. I think this is Pom-Pom po rin. Yay! Tama tayo! Oh my God, sobrang chunky. Talaga ni Pompom. Pero parang si Hello Kitty pa rin yung pinakamalaki. Oo, siya pa rin yung pinakamalaki. Because she is the main character, y'all. Let's build this! It's really easy. I really have to spin it every time though. Okay. I forgot to put this first. Yan. Ta-da! Pompom is so cute. Pompom is so chunky. Adorable. Seashell, this is also working. Well, not working. It's rotating. So, syempre, this is Pochaco. Unless, meron parang secret. Mukhang wala naman. Kasi walang nakalagay ng secret dito. I think these are his paws. Since dog si Pochaco. Although si Cinnamon Roll, dog din siya. If ever hindi nyo pa alam. Naman. Here. You have to notice pala, hindi siya talaga circle. Meron siyang straight line sa dulo. Para alam mo na fit talaga siya. So, ayan. Sundan nyo lang yung pattern para madali siya ipasok. Yay! We have built the last design. This is Pochaco! So cute! Okay, pagsama-sama muna natin sila. Let's try to make these Sanrio characters in one Wonder Wheel. I'll build this with you guys. Let's start with Cinnamon Roll. And kailangan natin tanggalin ito. So, ang matitira lang sa kanya, for now, is ito. So, tanggalin muna natin lahat. Now, we're gonna pick the circle that we want dun sa gitna. I'm gonna pick the purple one dito sa gitna. So, ayan siya. Wait, iset aside muna natin to, okay? Ito ang gagamitin natin gitna ng Wonder Wheel. And what I noticed is, ayan, baliktad siya. So, ang gagawin ko ay, kailangan tanggalin to. reversible naman siya, thankfully. So, ang mahalaga dito ay kita natin ito, yung hindi circle, kasi yung kabila ay circle siya. Oh, this one hindi pala. Okay. Si Hello Kitty na baliktad ko. Pero madali lang naman siya tanggalin. Dito sa photo though, ang ginamit lang nila ay 1, 2, 3 poles. So, pili lang tayo ng 3 colors. And, of course, I want the first one to be pink. Para maiba. So, ayan. And then, purple. Ayan. And then, let's get another one of this. Which is this one. Pero, imbis na ganito, gagawin natin flat again. Lalagay lang natin over here. So, ganito na itsura niya. And then, maglalagay tayo ng isa pa na pole over here. Yan, that one. Then, finally, malalagay na natin to. Kasi, ano, bilog siya. And, bilog yung nandito. There you go. Ayan na siya. Pwede mo naman siyang taasan. Okay. This is better. Kaya pa kaya natin magdagdag ng isa pa. Kahit pa paano we can be creative with this. Oh! Parang mas maganda. I think this is the perfect... Ay, hindi niya pa nakita. I think this is the perfect height. Kapag magbe-build kayo ng ganito kasi mabigat siya eh. Ayan, no? Nahuhulog siya. So, kailangan mo talagang ipagsama-sama itong mga blocks na to. So, ilagay mo siya sa likod instead of dito sa unahan. And, ayun pala, isa sa fun about this is you can pick which icon do you want. Kasi lahat sila compatible. So, with mine, syempre ang gusto ko si Kuromi. So, ayan, skull ang ilalagay ko. Pwede natin gawing ribbon ni Hello Kitty. Pwede rin yung cloud. This one's so cute too. Ayan, oh my god, ang ganda. So, this is the set. I'm so happy. Anyway, meron ako mga nakikitang posts on Facebook and also on TikTok. Merong problema. Well, hindi naman talaga siya problem siguro by Jollibee, pero based sa mga comments ng mga netizens and mga buyers ng blind box na to, hindi sila happy kasi nga, I think this is the first blind box, maybe hindi, ng Jollibee, pero parang ito yung pinaka height eh. May mga bumibili ng 6 na pieces which should be a full set, diba? As usual sa mga blind boxes, sa mga Pop Mart, when you buy 6 or when you buy 12, then you get each of the designs. Pero ang nangyayari, ayan, merong lahat pom-pom, lahat cinnamon roll, lahat may melody. So kung sakali man magka-views to, we should let them know that hindi dapat ganun yung blind box when you buy the full set or 6 pieces. Hindi ganun yung nangyayari na system when it comes to blind box. Well, yung mga nakita kong post, these are just day 1 when it was released. So, I think I will upload this on Sunday. So, let's see what will happen. Pero sana ganun nga. Dapat pwede ka makipag-usap sa staff if you're going to buy 6, diba? 6 pieces na yun eh. Sobrang sad naman na isa lang yung design na makukuha mo, diba? I hope mag-change sila ng patakaran. Yan eh, pag isa lang, 2, 3, 4, or kahit 5, okay lang yun na blind box. Kasi nga yun yung thought. Pero kung 6, diba? Dapat full set na yun. Ayun lang, those are my 2 cents. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and of course, like this video. And I'll see you creative!